Hello guys, welcome to my live stream. I hope you can hear my voice. If you can hear my voice, I hope you will let me know in the comment section so that I can proceed with the works that I am gonna show it to you today. Today is a very good day to start the day, and now let me just check if I am in live or not. Okay, I think I am in live section. Yes, done. Okay, I am live now. Okay, then let's start. And welcome to my live stream, guys. Hope you can hear my voice. Today we are gonna discuss about CARV listing. Okay, today we are gonna listing about today we are gonna talk about the CARV listing, and we are gonna discuss about how you can deposit CARV CARV token in Gate.io and trade and get some awesome rewards together, guys. I hope you got my point of view here. Okay, first of all, let me just introduce this project. Okay, let me just introduce this good project. Today we are gonna talk about the CARV that had been already listed in our favorite exchange, Gate.io. And if you are a new user or existing user, you already know about it. Okay, now let me just get in the main part. Okay, I have already divided like 3 or 4 sections that I am going to discuss about all the things about it. Okay, first of all, I will discuss about the CARV limited time listing campaign. It is deposit and trade CARV to share $10,000 rewards. Okay, this announcement was published in uh, 2024 10th and 11. I mean, it's published in like 2 days before, and now I am explaining to you how you can get good amount of rewards from the CARV limited time listing campaign. Okay, now guys, let me get back into this project info. Okay, first of all, I will check out this one. Okay, I will check out that CARV got listed. I mean, it was in our startup, and it was also the GT holder exclusive airdrop project, and it had already been happened. And if you have participated in this, I hope you get good amount of return from it. Okay, first of all, let me just get into the project introduction. Okay, CARV is a leading development of the largest modular identity and data layer IDL for gaming, AI and beyond. With over 900 games and AI integrations, CARV supports 30% of all Web3 games, serving more than 9.5 million of registered players, including 2.8 million unique on-chain CARV ID holders, ranking among the top 3 globally for unique active wallet across 40 plus chains. That's really awesome. CARV has raised 50 million from top investors like Tribe Capital, TeamSeg Vertex and Animoca brands, backed by a team from CoinV. Okay, that will be the short introduction of the project that we are gonna talk about and the events that's CARV related to. Okay, now let's get back to I think I have already introduced about the project information. Now let's get back to the our Gate.io CARV limited time listing campaign details and how you can deposit here or how you can trade CARV to share $10,000 rewards. Okay, let's jump into this one. uh, before starting, let me just finish the tokenomics of this or the highlights of this project so that I can complete my introduction section here. Okay, CARV protocol is a modular identity and data layer enabling secure data ownership and across gaming, AI, and Web3 ecosystem. CARV Play offers a dynamic platform connecting players, games, and rewards, enhancing engagement through personalized experience and data-driven insights. CARB Labs, a $50 million accelerator that focuses on developing cutting edge solutions and collaborations with gaming and AI industries, fostering a decentralized data future. Together, they empower users to own, control, and monetize their data across diverse digital landscape. That's a very important point to be noted, guys. And okay, I think you got my point here. Now let's get jump into our token economics section. The curve token powers uh, governance and utility within the curve ecosystem, enabling users to propose and vote on curve protocol changes. It rewards node operators, incentivize network participation, and supports data validation. Curve also facilitates staking, providing users with vCurve, which unlocks further rewards and benefits. Okay, that will be it for our token economics. Now we can jump into the token allocation system here. The token allocation system here is the provide the further detail about it. There are node and community. It's like 50,000%. I mean 50%, 50%. I mean, okay, it's good. And here you can see through. Okay, let me just read it for you. Through IOs means to reward our community for their effort in contributing for the project's success. Okay. Next one, eco and treasury 9%. Treasury holding of CARB tokens. I got it. Early investors of CARB, and it's like 9.246%. Seed and early strategic investors in CARB who are willing to accompany the project in the long run. Okay, that's some interesting info we get here, guys. Now let me just check the next info, the private fundraising. Okay, the private fundraising that happening here. Okay, first of all, just let me just complete one task and I'll be get back to you. Okay, private fundraising is like 8.295% here. I can clearly see it, and if you are seeing this, you can see that a series A and thereafter investors in CARB that participate in private fundraising, founding team and advisors share will be like 19.459%, rewarding the core founding contributors. Okay, and advisors for their full-time effort to the project's success. And of course, the liquidity is the main thing of any project that want to be successful. Okay, it's like 4% token allocation, tokens allocated to provided the liquidity. Okay, I think I am done with the project introduction. Now let me get into the main section of our today's video. Okay, and you can also get information about the CARB founder. Okay, the name is CARB, team of 40 companies, contributors from Coinbase, Base, Electronic Arts, Tencent Games, Mohoyo, McKinsey, and more, all dedicated revolutionizing data usage in gaming, AI, and beyond. I think you got it. Okay, guys, now let me just get back into our main section here. Today's main section will be the Get.io CARB limited time campaign, deposit and trade and share $10,000 rewards. Okay, and of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to turn on a notification icon on, of course, my Get profile link. You can get good amount of analysis. We are doing regular videos. Okay, let me just set another red packet for you guys, and then I will just get back to our main topic. Okay. Today is a good day to start the work. Now let me just get back into it. Okay. Get.io CARV Deposit and Trade Campaign is launching. Join now for a chance to share $10,000 in prize pool. And of course, don't miss out, guys. That's a very interesting chance for you to get a good amount of free profit from this campaign. Okay, now let's check out the activities we have here. There are like 3 activities ongoing for this limited time campaign. It was activity 1, deposit and trade, deposit and CARV to share $5,000 reward prize pool. And there is the activity 2. Activity 2 is all about trade CARV. Okay, let me just highlight it for you. Trade CARV to split a $3,000 prize pool. And the activity 3 is, you can see that CARV community new users exclusive rewards, share a $2,000 prize pool. Okay, we are gonna break down all the activities details in this video, so stay tuned for more information. Okay, and if you are new to this campaign, you should just click in here and join in this event. And if you want to participate in this awesome limited time listing campaign of CARV token and get a share of $10,000 rewards pool, then you should participate here. Okay, here it says tick the box to sign up for the event. That means if you want to join in this awesome event, you need to click join here, and then you will be good to go. I think you got the point of view that I am explaining to here. Okay, let me just join it firstly. Okay, I don't want to miss out this awesome campaign to get some free rewards from it. Let me just submit this. After you clicking the submit button, you need to complete a captcha, and boom guys, it's done. Okay, you just, that's easy. Okay, that's super easy. Just click in the button and you will good to go. And you can see that you have successfully registered for the campaign, and now I am registered for this awesome campaign. Now let me just go break down this awesome campaign rewards. How will be the rewards distributed to the users who have been already participated, and all the users who are trying to participate in this campaign. Okay, now I have participated here. Let me just check out the duration of this event. This event started at 7 a.m. 11 October, and it will be till October 18, and it will be UTC time, guys. You need to keep that in mind. That's the time zone here is the UTC time. Okay, I hope you got the point of view here that I have been talking about. Okay guys, thank you for your understanding here. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, you can check out the my pin post that I have been marked there about this announcement link. Okay, you will get this link there, no problem. Okay, now let me just proceed with my next section. I have already done the introduction section of this project. Now we are gonna discuss about this project's, I mean this campaign, how it will work and how you can get a good amount of reward from this CARV Deposit and Trade Campaign. Okay, now let's just jump into it. Okay, activity 1. Let's now talk about the activity 1. Okay, what is this activity 1 is all about? Okay, I'm gonna discuss about with you guys so that you can get a clear view of this activity. Okay, it says deposit CARV to share. Okay, deposit CARV to share. Let me just copy the link, and I will just send it in my box so that it will be good to go. Wait a moment guys, I'm sorry for the interference here. Okay, now it's good. Here it says deposit CARV to share. Okay, deposit CARV to share like $5,000 in reward pool. Okay guys, that's a good reward pool. If you check it out, then you can understand what I am talking about here. Okay, now let's get back. Okay, Here it says, and of course you need to keep that in mind, the event duration. Okay, the event had already started. Okay, the event started at the 7 a.m. UTC time zone, and it was started in like 11 October, and the event will be held till the 18th of October. Okay, and during this campaign period, okay, during this campaign period, users who deposit user who deposit at least $10 amount in CARV will share a total of $5,000 rewards distributed proportionally based on their net deposit volume. Okay, I think you understand it. If you don't understand this point, you can just let me know in the comments so that I can answer your question. Okay, now let me just briefly discuss about this, how you can complete this task. It means that when during this campaign, the users just need to deposit at least, okay, at least $10 in CARV token. Okay, if you deposit like $10 in CARV token, you will be eligible to share $5,000 prize pool, guys. That's a really good prize pool for the all the users who are joining new here, guys. And you can see that for if you want to join in all of this activity, you just need to click the submit button here. Okay, let me just refresh it so that, okay, you can, as you can see here, after you mark this join now button, you just need to click submit and you will be registered for this awesome campaign that you are watching now. Okay, and for the activity one, you just need to deposit at least $10. Okay, at least $10 amount of CARV for eligible to share the prize pool of $5,000 in rewards. Okay guys, I think you got my idea. Okay, I hope you got it. Now let's see how you can deposit CARV. Okay, how you can deposit CARV. Let's check. Here it says, clearly says deposit now. Okay, let me click on this link. Here I have already give you the link in the comment section, so you can check it out. Okay, I will also send the link here so that you can check it out, all the important announcements that have been given here. Here you can see that after I have clicked in this link, okay, I have clicked in this here CARV, I have clicked in this CARV icon here, and then I am redirected to this page. Okay, let me go again, okay, so that it will be easier for you to understand about it. Okay, after you come in this page, you just need to deposit at least $10 CARV token. Okay, I think you got my point of view here. Okay, that's good. And I have already sent the link to the chat so that you can easily access this page, event page. Okay, now let's go in the section here, and here you don't need to select the token here. The token will be automatically selected. The token will be CARV and the network will be available here, base and base EVM. Okay, currently it support the only base network for its deposit works to be done. I think in future there can be more networks available. Let's see how you can deposit here. Okay, and if you want to deposit CARV here, you just need to copy your address. Okay, you will have your address here. Just need to copy your address and just go in the airdrop page or where your CARV token is, if you in your decentralized wallet or any other exchanges. Okay, if I mean just you just need to deposit CARV from anywhere you get the token. Okay, or you can, I think you can also get the token from the airdrop. Okay, there was also I think airdrop program for this CARV token. Okay, And if you want to deposit the CARV token, okay, let me just check it the value of the CARV. Okay, so that you can understand the $10 amount of CARV, how you can calculate that. If you want to just manage to just eligible for this $10 in CARV, okay, what this means, let me just break down this term. Okay, $10 in CARV means, okay, let me just go in the CARV USDT, and yes, I got it here. And if I go in the daily time frame, and guys, you can see that how bullish is this project is after listing is just started pumping. Okay, okay, that's not the main thing we are talking about here. And if you are okay, and if you are planning to join in this event, activity 1, like deposit CARV to share $5,000 prize pool, then you should at least minimum deposit $10 in CARV, so that you will be eligible for this prize pool, $5,000 prize pool. Okay, and let me break down this $10 in CARV means. Okay, $10 in CARV means, okay, if you set the price here, and here if you set 10 USDT, you can see that with the current market price, I mean MP, current market price is 0.7365 cents. Okay, if you bought 0.7365 price the CARV token, you just need to deposit 13.57 CARV for your rewards to be eligible for this campaign, for this deposit and trade campaign to be eligible. Okay, if you want to be eligible for this activity 1, deposit CARV to share $5,000 prize pool, here you just need to deposit, it's like 13.57 CARV. And I don't mean to be the minimum deposit, you should at least deposit like 15 CARV, okay, for the reassurance. Okay, and if you deposit like 13.57 CARV and price fluctuates, then you will not be eligible, because if the price fluctuates there, and the amount will be less. Okay, if you deposit like a minimum value head to head here, okay, let me just complete it for you. Okay, if you want to be sure, okay, if you want to get assurance that you will get a reward from this activity 1, deposit CARV to share $5,000 prize pool, you just need to deposit minimum of the CARV in the current market price. Okay, you just need to the price token price, how's the price, and then you just need to jump into this section and you can calculate it here. Okay, just deposit more than the minimum value of the eligible for to be eligible for this campaign. Okay, if I here type here 15 CARV, okay, 15 CARV can be a minimum for this campaign, or you can just type here 10 USDT to see that there is 13.59 CARV. Okay, and there can be a price fluctuation, so I recommend to you deposit more than the minimum amount of the CARV 10, so to be eligible in this campaign. Okay, and you need to keep that in mind. Okay, if you just want to deposit like 10 USDT and you want to just adjust the minimum 10, not less or not more, you should check out the current market price for it to be calculation. Okay, and there is one thing to be noted here, you need to check that the minimum deposit amount is 0.01344,267 CARV. Okay, you need to keep that in mind, that the minimum deposit amount is very low, and if you deposit lower than this amount, it will not be credited. Okay, I think you got my general idea of it. And the main thing, okay, deposit arrival, okay, it's need 100 confirmation, guys. 100 confirmation is like it will take some time after you just completed your deposit in here CARV USDT, I mean CARV token. It will take some time, and in this time, when this token depositing is in the process of confirmation, if the price drops, okay, and you just deposited 10 USDT amount of token in CARV, then if the price drops, you will the deposit amount will be counted here, will be less than $10. Okay, You need to keep that in mind, guys. If for security purpose, I mean for the reassurance purpose that you will be surely to eligible to share this $5,000 reward pool, you should deposit at least, it is my personal opinion also, because of the price fluctuation, you should deposit like $11 or $12 for the reassurance. Okay, I hope you got my point of view here, because if you deposit like, let me check, for in the current market price, if you deposit like 10 USDT, it will be 13.59 CARV. Okay, and if I suppose if you deposit like 13.59 CARV from other sources and deposit it in here, okay, in here, and then the price fluctuate, okay, the price fluctuate happen and the price drops to 0.1. Okay, I don't mean that it will, the price will go down. I just explaining a possible case scenario. Okay, it can happen, and then price drop down, and you just deposited like 13.59 curve, and you can see the value just got decreased to 9.9 USDT. And after confirmation, after 100 confirmation happened, okay, then you got your deposit credited. You can see that you will get like 9.9 USDT amount of curve, but that's didn't fulfill the condition that in here mentioned here. Okay, so that's a very important rule. Okay, $10 in curve at least. So to be in the safe zone, you need to, okay, you just need to deposit more than the minimum amount for the reassurance purpose. Okay, like here the price is like 0.7429, and you just deposit like $11. Just deposit $1 minimum value, so that you can get reassurance that you will be sure to get the price. Okay, so that's my point that I am talking about the curve deposit and deposit campaign to share the $5,000 prize pool. Okay, and there is one thing, okay buddy, there is one thing also you need to keep that in mind. I hope you got this point, at least $10 in curve. Okay, if you have any question, you can just let me know in the comments. I am gladly answer your question here. Okay, and I'm sorry for the English. Okay, so for this, okay, so for this $10 limit, at least here it says at least $10 in curve. So to be in the safe zone for eligible to the price like $5,000 price pool, I recommend you should deposit 11 or minimum 11 or $12 of curve token to be eligible for this $5,000 price pool, so that you will be reassured, I mean you will be in a safe zone to be able to share the price pool. That's why I just briefly break down this $10 in amount curve to you, so that you can understand and don't make any mistake. Okay, because market is volatile. Okay, it can the price can fluctuate anytime, and you just deposited the curve at current market price like 7416, and the price dropped down to like 0.7380. Then you will just the deposit amount you will be credited will be just like 9.92. I have already make seen sorry show you here. I hope you got my point of view here. So at least deposit more amount than the minimum amount mentioned here, at least $10 in curve. Okay, that's my personal suggestion if you want to be reassurance about it. I hope you got my point of view here, guys. Okay, now let's get back to our another section in this campaign. There says distributed proportionally based on their, okay, distributed proportionally on their based on their net deposit volume. Okay, let me break down this line also, so that you can understand it briefly. Distributed proportionally mean that if you deposit like $10 in curve, you will get like the whole price pool will be, and you if I say that there are like 1000 participants in this campaign, I just assuming that, okay, so that I can help you understand the proportional how you'll get and how much amount you can get here, but we don't know how many participants have joined here. So that's a very good question. And if I just simply explain this, that suppose 100 users just join in this campaign, okay, like deposit campaign here, and you are one of the person in the 100 person, okay, and you just deposited like $10 in CARV. So you can just do your math and you will get your result, okay. And that's mean how you can get proportionally distributed means. I think you got my point here. So if you I mean to tell you that here that there, if there are like 100 participants here in this deposit campaign, and they deposit like $10, $20, just deposit their random amounts here, and you just deposit like $11 of CARV, okay, then how much CARV you will get, okay. We can't say it clearly because we just need to know that when the campaign ended, then we can get a clear data of how many persons have joined and how much you have contributed here, I mean how much you have deposited here, and what's the amount of your, and then it will be a simple math, okay. You just need to understand this simple math so that you can understand this distributed proportionally section they are mentioned. So if you deposit more amount of CARV, then you will get more amount of reward. I think you got my point of here. Okay, and of course thank you for all the comments. Restart. Good afternoon buddy, thank you for joining the live stream. And now let's get back onto this section. I have already explained the distributed proportionally based on their net deposit volume, okay. This net deposit volume is also a good term for you to understand, okay. Net deposit volume means, okay, the deposit and withdrawal amount, okay. Net deposit means like, okay, let me just get clear into it. Net deposit means the deposit amount minus the withdraw amount, okay. If you like deposit like $100 in CARV and you just withdraw like $95 of the CARV token, then your net deposit will be like $5 in CARV, okay. You need to understand this net deposit term very carefully, because if you like deposit like I suppose you deposit like $110, okay, you deposit like, suppose you have deposit like $110 in CARV token and just withdraw like $105 of CARV from the exchange. So and the event concluded, okay. You just deposited $101 CARV and withdraw like $105 CARV, okay. So the net deposit volume will be just counted, will be like just like $5 of the CARV, okay. I think you got my idea of why I am mentioning this. It's also very important term. I mean just it's also very easy term, basic term here. Just you just need to deposit the $10 in CARV, and if you didn't withdraw the amount of CARV you just deposited, then your net deposit volume will be counted as the deposit amount, like the $10 in CARV that you previously deposited in the exchange. So I hope that you get the general idea of it, what's this net deposit volume means here. So that will be it for my activity 1, deposit CARV to share $5,000 prize pool. I hope you get the general idea of it, how you are gonna deposit, and if you are gonna hold or sell, it's your decision of course. But if you withdraw the amount during the campaign, of course, if you withdraw the amount that you deposited in the exchange, I mean if you sorry, let me just rephrase it for you. If you deposit like $11 CARV and sell, no problem. But if you withdraw the same amount, okay, like $10 in CARV, then your net deposit will be just like $1. So you need to keep that in mind, that if you deposit like $10 in CARV, you shall not withdraw $10 in CARV during the campaign, okay, so that your net deposit volume will remain zero. Okay, if you just withdraw the same amount as you the deposit amount. And I hope you got the general idea of it, why I am talking about this one. And of course you need to keep in mind the price fluctuation, okay, because of this confirmation, okay, the network confirmation, okay, in the base network it will take like 100 confirmation, and it will not be happen in a zippy. It can take some 2 or 3 minute time at most. And in this deposit confirmation moment, arrival confirmation moment, if the price fluctuate, you will get deposited with like the value, you have deposited like $10 curve. Then if the price fluctuate, you will get like $9.92 curve that I have already shown you here in this section. Okay, let me just show it to you, and I will just go in the next section. 10 USDT curve mean now 13.46, and if the price fluctuate to like 7401, then it will be 9.96. okay, so that's why I recommend to you, if you want to be in the safe side for the rewards pool, you should deposit at least the more amount of it, more amount of curve, so that you will be surely to eligible for this deposit curve to share $5,000 prize pool. And Atacon says, good broadcast. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate your comments, guys. Okay. Now let me get into the activity 2. How this activity 2 works, and let me explain it to you. How you can join in the activity 2 and get some good rewards. Okay. Let me wait a second and see if there are any comments or any question about the explanation here, so that I can get a clear view of it. Okay, now it will just go done. Okay, and if you want to participate in the activity 2 of this campaign, Get.io Curve limited time listing campaign, in the activity 2 you need to trade Curve to split a $3,000 of the prize pool. I think you got my general idea of it. Let me just briefly discuss about the activity 2 of the Curve to split $3,000 rewards pool. Okay, now let me just get back into it so that you can understand it easily, guys. And of course, thank you for tuning in during my live session. Okay, here it says that during the campaign period, okay, the campaign period means that from 11 October to 18th of October, okay, that will be the campaign period here. Users, now let me go in this next section. Users who complete spot trading of no less than $100 in Curve will share $3,000 proportionally based on the spot trading volume. Okay, that's the line, that's the activity for the activity 2. I hope you got the hang of it. If you don't, let me just briefly discuss about it more. There are many things to say. Okay, let me just jump into the next section. It says users who complete spot trading of no less than $100 in Curve will share $3,000 proportionally based on the spot trading volume. Okay, if you don't understand this value, I mean the spot trading value of $100 in Curve, it means that if you buy like $50 in Curve and then you sell that $50 amount of Curve, then the overall net volume will be $100. Okay, that's the spot trading, that how the spot trading will be counted. Let me just remove this tab. Okay, let me just give you a brief description about it. Okay, so that you can understand about it. Here the users who complete the new no less than $100 in Curve. Okay, let me just get back to you. And if you want to participate in the activity 2, you just need to achieve a trading volume, I mean spot trading volume of $100, minimum $100. Okay. As you can see, let's say I will explain it to you so that you can understand it. Okay, I think there's, okay, let me just reduce it here so that I can just fit. Okay, let me just fit this upside. Okay. Okay, sorry for the interference, guys. I'll try to fix it now. Okay, if you see here, I think there is some kind of issues with my I think I am facing some technical issues. Okay, let me just solve it quickly. Okay, here. Okay, now it's good. What I am explaining? Okay, I am explaining was that the spot trading volume, spot trading of no less than $100 in CARV, and what this $100 in CARV means. Okay, let me just get you a quick breakdown how this $100 means. Okay, uh, let's say if you have like $20 in your account, suppose, of course I am just assuming it. Okay, if you have like $20 in amount and the current market price is just like 76.43, and you just buy like the full amount. Okay, you just buy the CARV here, and then you, okay, let me just buy it for you so that, okay, let's wait some. If I buy here, let me just go in the 20 and I'll place the buy order here. If I buy here, and you will see, you can see there will be confirmation, and if you confirm, you will buy like 21.06 dollar of the CARV. Okay, and if you buy this amount, okay, if you buy this amount from the here, let me go in the 1 minute time frame so that you can understand. Then you will have a volume. Okay, you will have a trading volume of like 21 USDT. Okay, if I go in the market section, sorry for the, sorry. Okay, now it's good. And if you want to complete this $100 trading volume in spot, you just need to go in here. Okay, I'll just tell you from the first to last. Okay, I'll go in the this here, trade now. Here is clearly says the trade now. Okay, you can just click in this button and just go in here, and I have already sent you the announcement link, and I mean the event link in the comment area, or in the chat box. You can just check it out if you want to just join in this awesome event and get some free profit in here. Okay, now I am good here. And as you can see that here, if you want to complete $100 of trading volume, you just need to do a $100 trade volume. You can just simply here put here 100 USDT and just complete a buy order. Here you will see, okay, I think I don't have a sufficient balance here, that's why it's saying that. Okay, I have like 21 USDT here. Let me see. Okay, now if you just complete a buy order here, sorry for the microphone interference here. Okay, if you just complete a buy order of like 21.13 USDT, you will just do a 21.14 USDT of trade volume in the CARV. And if you just sell it again like 21.1 USDT of CARV, you will sell it like this one. Okay, if you click in sell button, you will just complete your sell option. Okay, I think you got the general idea of it, how you will like spot trade. And this explanation is for the new users, those who are not accustomed to our spot trading platform, spot trading area, so that you can understand. And the existing user, I know you just understand this term very easily. I am just explaining this term for all the new users who are joining our this event. Okay, this CARV listing event. I think you got the point of view of here. Like if you have $20 in your account and you just need to buy and sell like 5 times. Okay, if you just bought the CARV like 5 times, you will have $100 amount of spot trade volume in your CARV. Okay, I think you got the point of view here that what I am talking about. Let me just remove the noise. I think I got some extra noise from the outside area, and I'm sorry for the. Now let's get back to the section. I am talking about the $100 volume. How you can get $100 volume in CARV. Okay, if you let me just assume if you have like $20 in your account, you just need to buy like 3 times and sell 3 times. You will get easily $100 amount of volume, because if you buy 3 times with 20 USDT, you will get a volume of 60 USDT. And if you just do the same when you sell, uh, because you buy 3 times, the volume is 60 USDT, and if you sell, the amount will be the same, just it will be double. I mean, it will be the twice amount of 60 USDT, and it will be 120 USDT. So that's easy. If you just need to buy and sell, that's the main area here for you to complete the $100 in CARV volume. You can just of course there are two options or three options here. I mean, I like to trade in limit order most of the time, but if there are huge fluctuation in the market, then I not like to trade with the market order, because if I market order and the price fluctuate like 1 to 2 cent more, then I will the order will be filled in my current market price will be like here, and you can see the buy price here. Okay, so that's why for this price difference I like to trade in limit order. Okay, it's my personal preference also, but you can have different perspective about it, and it's very normal. Okay, you can just do market here. Okay, here is a market. This also a good option. If you want to do a volume quickly, you can just click buy here, and your order will be filled instantly. And of course the same when you sell, you can just put the amount you want to sell, and then you will good to go sell. Okay, as there was no curve in here, so there's the sell option is not showing. Okay, I think you got the point of view here, what I am make you understand. Okay, so that's how you make a $100 spot trade volume in the CARV USDT trade. And I have already shared you the event link in the comment area or in the chat box. You can just check it out so that you can understand it more clearly. Okay, and if you achieve a $100 in CARV volume in CARV, then you will have a chance to share $3,000 of the price pool proportionally based on the spot trading volume. Okay, that's also a important term you need to consider when you do this task. And like, you suppose one user, like a user have a trade volume of like $1,000, and you have a like a trade volume of $100, then you will get the amount of your $100 trade volume of proportional reward, and the user who have $1,000 of the trade volume, he will get more rewards, like 10 times more reward than you, because you have the low trading volume and he have the more trading volume. So this means proportionally based on the trading volume means, I think you got the general idea of it, because if you have more trading volume, you will get more reward. That's the fundamental of this activity 2 events main criteria. I hope you get this criteria very well. Okay, if you have any questions about this $100 trade volume spot, you can just let me know in the chat box or in the comments, so that I can help you understand it more briefly, or in a way that you will understand more easily. Okay, and that will be the explanation for the activity 2. That's very simple. You just need to buy and sell CARV. Okay, you can do in the limit order, or you can just be in the market order. Okay, there are two options for you. I think stop limit here also, but I like to trade limit order and in the market orders. Okay, you just need to and of course guys, the main thing is you need to click join now and submit button first of all. If you didn't join and just do the activity here like the trading volume, then it will not be counted. So you need to keep that in mind, guys. If you want to join in this awesome event, you of course need to click the join now button, and then you can just click the submit button, and it will be submitted. After you have successfully joining this event, you can just join activity 1 or 2 as you like. Okay, and because the activity 1 and 2 for our existing user, that's why I am explaining about this first, and then I will explain about the activity 3, how it works and how the rewards will be distributed to the new users. Okay, and I think you got a good idea of it, how you can participate in this activity 1 and activity 2, and how the rewards will be given. Okay, and what's the criteria for the rewards for you to get a good amount of reward for it. Okay, okay, if I say it more correctly, like if you have more trade volume, okay, if you have more trade volume, that will get more reward. That is the main thing here, and it's also the same criteria for the activity 1. If you like deposit a more amount of the curve, then you will get more amount of reward. Because of why I am saying this, because it says it will be distributed proportionally based on their net volume, and of course based on their spot trading volume for the activity 2. And this means that the higher volume or higher the deposit amount you have deposited in the exchange, you will get more reward. Okay, and you can just one user just participate in all the events just by clicking join now box, tick box you can see here, and just click the submit button, and you just clearly just submit the captcha, and just guys, good, boom, it's just okay. It's okay, you have successfully registered for this event and it's good to go. And I think I have already explained how this activity 1 works and how you will get the rewards, and of course the activity 2 I have also explained to you how you can participate in this activity 2 and get a good amount of reward from it. The main thing is you just need to do more volume, and you need to do more. Okay, you need to do more deposit volume in activity 1 to for you to get more amount of the prize pool. I think you got the general idea of what I am saying now, and if you have any doubts, then you will understand. Okay, you can just comment in the chat area, okay, so that I can help you understand it more carefully, more easily, I mean. I hope you got it. Now let me just proceed. Okay, just at okay, let me just say the last word for this activity 1 and activity 2, that if you deposit more amount, okay, if you deposit more amount, like suppose if one user deposit $15 of curve, and you deposit like $500 of curve, of course the user who deposited $500 of curve will get more rewards, because they will have a better chance. Okay, because it says the rewards will be distributed proportionally. Okay, it will proportionally distributed, and the main thing criteria for you to get a good amount of reward will be the amount you deposited, or you for the activity 1, and for activity 2 you just need to have good amount of spot trading volume for you to get the reward pool of $3000 in the activity 2. So that's the main thing, buddy. If you have any question, you can just drop down in the chat box. I will quickly answer your questions about this camp activity 1 and activity 2. Okay, now I have completed explaining the reward structure, how you can join here. Now let me just jump back to the activity 3 of this awesome campaign. The campaign name is the limited time listing of the CARV deposit and trade to share like $10,000 rewards. Okay, now let me just get back to the activity 3. Let's see how this activity 3 works and how you can get a reward from all of this. Okay, the activity 3 is all about a new user exclusive. Let me just read it out for you. The activity 3 is all about CARV community new users exclusive share $2000 prize pool, so that you can get a good amount of it. Okay, let me just check out the details so I can help you understand more of it. Okay, I'll check it out later. I think there are some technical difficulties with the connection, so that's why it was lagging. Let me just quickly share it with the link, and so that, okay, wait a moment guys, I'll be get back to you. Okay, let's get back to the activity 3. Okay, what's this activity 3 is all about? Okay, now I have, I think, zoomed it out so that you can see it clearly. In the activity 3 area, you can see CARV community new users exclusive share a $2000 prize pool. Okay, so for you, for your kind information, you need to understand this, that the activity 1 and activity 2 will be for the new user, and of course the existing user, of course, but the activity 3 will be exclusive for the new users. Okay, of course a new user can obviously join the activity 1 and activity 2, but for an existing user he can also join the activity 1 and activity 2, but he couldn't or he can't join in the activity 3. I hope you got my point of view here. Let's proceed with the activity 3, and let me give you a brief description about the reward structure and how you can join in the activity 3. For all those new users who are watching, this will be an important section for you to get a good amount of reward from this CARV limited time list event. Okay, here it says new users who register with identity verification and deposit at least $10 in CARV, BTC or USDT can split the rewards based on their net deposit volume. I hope you got the general idea of it by reading this line, and if you have any question you can just let me know in the comments. No problem, I am happy to answer your question as I can. Okay, it's good. I think it's going good. So for the new user who are new to our exchange Get.io, you just need to register now. As you can see, for the new users and the existing users, I have already sent the link of this activity page in my chat box or in the comment section. You can see it clearly. Okay, and I have also pinned the comment in my live chat box for you to understand it more clearly. Okay, and if you if a new user wants to participate in this event and get a share of $2000 prize pool, you just need to click here register button and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, you will be redirected to this page and you will see here the menu, drop down menu here. You need to provide email, password and the residence of the country, and you just need to accept the terms and condition, and you can of course read the user agreements here. Okay, you can read the user agreements here for a new user for to participate. You can just check out all the user agreements here. There is a here long line of user agreements. You can just read it out and you can agree for a new user sign up. Okay, of course you can also read out the privacy policy here. It's also important, guys, and for you to understand the matter. And it's very easy for you to open a new account. You just need to you submit email password and you will get a good confirmation code or link in your email inbox, and you just need to verify it. Then you are good to go. After you have opening your account, you just need to complete the KYC verification for you to get started with joining all the events. And if you have any referral ID, you can just put it in here. If you don't, you can just unmark it here and just go with your regular setup. Okay, now let me just get back into the task here. So it says that your new users need to first of all register, and I have already explained how you can register here. And of course you need to complete the verification, and the verification means here KYC 2. Okay, KYC 2, you need to complete KYC level 2 for you to participate in any events of the Get.io that you are eligible for, and you will be good to go. After you have opened your new account and verified your account, you just need to do another task, so that you will be eligible for this activity 3 for the new user exclusive rewards, and the reward pool is $2000. Okay, for a new user to complete this, can I have already provided the activity link here. You can just click here deposit now, and you can just deposit like CARV, BTC and USDT. Okay, for new user there are three options for the deposit. Okay, but for the existing user, okay, that's very important. For the existing user, you need to deposit only CARV. And if an existing user deposit BTC or USDT, he will not be eligible for the activity 1, because it is exclusively mentioned here that uh, only the new user can deposit CARV, BTC and USDT, and the amount is at least $10. Okay, and I hope you get a good explanation of this $10 CARV. I have already explained in my live previously, so that you can. So if a user wants to deposit eligible for this activity 3, you just and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, you can just deposit, copy your address and deposit like $10 amount of CARV, and then you will be eligible for the activity 3. Okay, and of course let me also check out the Bitcoin, how you can deposit BTC here. If I type BTC, okay, you will get here, this is the Bitcoin chart, and here I am. Okay, here I am in the coin. I have already selected the coin. Of course guys, that's very important, it's only for the new user. Okay, I am explaining the activity 3 and the deposit task requirement. Okay, you just need to select Bitcoin, and you can select the network to Bitcoin BRC20. Okay, that's the native network for the Bitcoin, or you can just deposit in other network available. There are also available BNB smart chain or the BSC network for the Bitcoin deposit. You can deposit in any network that you like and that are available in our Gate.io exchange. You can also deposit like $10 in BTC, so that you can also be eligible for this reward pool, like $2000 reward pool for the new user. Or the third option for the new user, that you can deposit USDT. You just simply type USDT here, and you can see the USDT option. And guys, here you can see the USDT option here, and you can select the desired network you want. Okay, there are many networks available in our favorite exchange Gate.io, so you can get a huge amount of variety of the network. You can see there are Arbitrum network available here, Arbitrum 1, BNB smart chain, and Avax C chain, Celo, Polkadot, Ethereum, Gate chain. That's the native chain of our exchange. Kava EVM, Polygon Matic, and of course Nair, OKX chain, Optimism, Solana, or the open network, the Ton network. That's the really hyped up network for nowadays. Of course the Tron network, and the Textejos or XTZ network. I mean, there are variety of network. You can just select and you are good to go. You can just select the network as you like, that are available in here, and just deposit $10 of the USDT, and you will be eligible for the activity 3. Okay, I hope you got the hang of it. Now let me just describe the next section. Here it says can split the rewards based on their net deposit volume. Okay, what this means? Net deposit volume means that for a new user, if you deposit like $20 in your account during this event period, you need to hold this $20 $20 amount of the token that you just deposited. Okay, I mean sorry, not the $20, you just need to maintain minimum $10 in net deposit volume. Okay, previously that net deposit volume means the amount you deposited in the exchange minus by withdrawal amount. Okay, so its net deposit is not only the deposit amount, it's the uh, it's the result of deposit and withdraw. Okay, if you deposit, it will be plusly added, and if you withdraw the same amount, then your net deposit will be just 0. Okay, if you deposit like $10 during the campaign and withdraw the same amount during the campaign, then your net deposit volume will be just 0. Okay guys, for all the new users, you need to understand this. If you deposit like $10 in CARV BTC or USDT, you just need to hold this $10 amount of CARV BTC or USDT. Of course you can buy or sell in the exchange, that's no problem. uh, but if you withdraw the $10 amount of USDT or Bitcoin or CARV if during this event, then you will not be eligible. Okay, because there's a good term saying here, the net deposit volume. I hope you got the general idea of it. So that means you just need to hold the $10 amount in your account for a new user during the event. Okay, and after the event concluded, you just normally withdraw it. Okay, and there is no any restriction for deposit and withdrawal. Of course, it's just the event criteria that I am explaining here. I hope you got the idea that I am explaining to you. And of course, thank you for joining the live stream, and I welcome all the new users who just joined today's live stream. I hope you are enjoying today's live stream. Of course, don't forget to let me know in the comments what you think about it. Okay, now I have explained the activity 1, activity 2 and activity 3, how it works and how the rewards distribution will happen for the users who have joined this task. And of course, all the reward structure, I have also break down the reward structure, how the reward structure will break and how you will get the reward. Okay, now that's the main point. Okay, I will just get back to the notice. Okay, there's some notice about it. Okay, here it says all the participants need to complete identity verification to claim the rewards. So for all the users who joining here, just need to complete their identity verification to claim their rewards. Of course, let's jump into the notice number 2. It says net deposit volume. Okay, here I have already told you about, partially told you about the net deposit volume, and here you can see that it had uh, they have already explained it very clearly. Okay, that's a very important term, and I personally thank you Gate.io for explaining this term here. Really appreciate. And all those users who are joining new to my live stream, don't forget to follow, like, comment for more exciting updates about this. Okay, you can see the net deposit volume. It says deposit plus fiat buys and minus withdrawals plus fiat sells. And here fiat buy mean P2P. Okay, P2P section buys and sells. Okay, that's the meaning of fiat buys or fiat sells that here mentioned here. And the notice number 3, it says that the trading volume. Okay, the buy volume plus the sell volume, that's how you can calculate your trading volume. Okay, I have already explained it above, but there is a notice. That's why I am reading it out for you, so that you can understand it more clearly, I mean. Okay, then next jump into the section 4. The price pool of the activity is 20,000 CARV. The ceiling to split the price pool in activity 1 or 2 is equivalent to $100 in CARV. The ceiling to split the price pool in activity 3 is equivalent to $50 in CARV. Okay, you can get amount like in $100 in CARV. In activity 2, there's the ceiling of the price pool. I mean, as the high point, you can get the maximum of $100 of CARV from activity 1 and 2, and of course from the activity 3 you can get the equivalent amount of $50 in CARV. Okay, that's the ceiling of the split price. I hope you got the general idea of it. Okay, now let's jump into the next section. It says number 5, the rewards will be distributed within the 14 working days after the campaign ends. The reward distribution announcement will be released at Gate.io News. You can check out this channel. You can just click in here and you will be redirected to the page of the Telegram of the Gate.io News channel. Okay, you can just join in here and you will get the news about the distribution of the reward. Now let's just get back to the number 6 notice that we should need to take consideration. Okay, the use of duplicate accounts and any other cheating behaviors such as inflation of trading volume, bulk registration of fake accounts, self-trading, order matching, etc. are strictly prohibited. You should keep that all that in mind and do the activities. Multiple accounts with the same KYC verification will be treated as the same account. I hope you got it. And the number 7 is market makers, corporations, institutions, and affiliate accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. Let's jump into the number 8. Users can only receive rewards from one campaign if participating in many other campaigns on Gate.io at the same time. Number 9 is where any discrepancy, let me check, discrepancy arise between the translated versions of the English version original, the English version shall prevail. Okay, that's also a good term. Gate.io reserves all the rights to the final explanation, and of course this event is not affiliated with the Apple Incorporated Inc., and users in the United States and the restricted locations cannot access the services including the participation in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement. Okay, you can see the user agreement here. For further details you can just click in the user agreement and you will be redirected to the page of the user agreements, that you can just check it out if you want. For further details on restricted locations, okay, we do not intend to solicit or conduct marketing towards customers in such restricted locations. I hope you will understand. And finally, the risk warnings. Let me just proceed with the risk warnings and what's this risk warning is all about. Please be sure to note that the virtual currency market is volatile. I have already told you about when I started the stream, and losses may occur in different situations, so you are strongly recommended to understand all the related information and be vigilant in the regards of your investment actions. It means that you should do your own research when you plan to invest. Okay, that's what it says. I hope you understand all this point of view here. Okay, now let me just quickly give you a good packet for my loyal followers who are joining, who are just staying with me from the beginning to start. Okay, let me just give you a good packet so that you will be more happy, guys. Okay, I will set the countdown to it is just like the 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys, now that will be the whole explanation about it. And if you missed the live stream, you can just rewatch it in my profile area. Okay, let me just go in the profile area. How you can find me if you have just missed this live stream, you can just go in the live stream section here and you can go in the, okay, let me just go in the profile. Okay, you can see that there is this is my live section that I have been doing here, and if you are interested in it, you can just go in the profile section of this area. Let me check. Okay, if you go in the profile area of the live section here, I have already provided here, you can just see that I have already doing the live streams here and micro analysis and scalping. You can just join with me in the get live for to get some exciting trade and of course the events that I have already doing here. Okay, that will be it for it. Now let me just finish the finish the explanation about it. Okay, I hope you understand the Gate.io limited time listing campaign deposit and trade CARV to share $10,000 in rewards. I have already explained the 3 activities that are currently running in this event, and it will be ended in like 18th of October. Okay, I hope you got my point of view here. Now let me just check a quick section about, I am very interested to show you guys the pilot trading section. Okay, that's also a very good, okay, That's a very new term in the Get.io platform. You can just trade the tokens in here that have not been listed in the spot, but it is available in the market. Okay, and of course you need to verify the contract address of the token that you would like to trade, and the volatility is high here. You need to keep that in mind, that investment is always risky. Do your own research when you try to invest. Okay, invest or buy or sell. Okay, because you need to keep that in mind, that risk in investment. Okay, and anyone will not be responsible for your buy and sell. Okay, you need to consider the risk and reward. There are many tokens that are listed in the pilot section. You can just jump in the pilot section so that you can get a general idea of it, how the pilot section works here. It's very simple as the spot trading, but it is not very similar. I mean, it's very similar to spot trading, but it's still you need to keep that in mind, that all the tokens or coins available in the pilot section is not available in the spot section. Okay, and here you can see the risk reminder. Okay, compared with other tokens, this project is subject to greater fluctuation and risk. Please exercise caution. That's what I am talking about. I hope you got the hang of it, what I have told you about it. There are many coins. Okay, so there are many coins in the market, and it just listed, it just paved the way for the this decentralized trading here. Okay, that's how the pilot section work. You can find many tokens that got listed, that is available in the pilot section. You can just do your trading in here very easily. It's just same as like the spot trade, but there are some great amount of risk than the spot trade here, in my opinion. And you can just normally buy and sell. Okay, you can just normally buy and sell. You can see the order book here and the trades available, trades that are happening in the current market here. You can also check it out. That's also good. And you can check the depth of the market. Okay, you can also check the depth of the market, and also you can get a amount of here. You can just buy and sell the amount. And of course, if you want to trade in the pilot section, you need to transfer your account, transfer your asset to the spot to pilot. Okay, let me just okay, spot to pilot. You just need to select the amount, and it will be transferred to pilot section. Then you can start your trading. I hope you got a general idea of how the pilot trading works. And of course, I personally thank you all the guys who have been tuning in with me during the live stream. I really appreciate your patience, guys. Now let me just finish this project explanation. I hope you get the general idea how to join in this project and how you can get the rewards from here. And I have also clearly break down the every section that is written here, so that you can, I have also clearly explained about it, how you can join here and get a good amount of reward from it. Okay, and the last section of my live, let me just go in the startup section that I very hyped optimistic about, and let you see how this startup work. Okay, you can just go in the Get.io website, and you can click this icon, and you can see the startup option. You can go in the startup option, and you can join in the startup. There are many projects that are available in here, and you can just click a $0 claim to and you will get a chance to here enter here. Okay, if I just click at 0 to okay, now that I have successfully subscribed in the startup, in this way you can very easily join the startup campaigns from here. And also there are another section. Let me just search it in the Google. Okay, and I'll get you the link in my referral section. Referral Carnival, Gate.io. I think I have not okay, now I got the link. That's very important. Okay, or you can just search the Google and got the link, the Referral Carnival. Okay, that's also very important section of this. I hope you got all the information related to this campaign, how you can participate in this campaign, and how you can get a good amount of reward, and how you can be reassured when you're just complete this depositing task, and the net volume function that I have already mentioned in the previous stream. And of course the startup, I have also show you the startup, how you can join the startup is very easy. Just click on this button and you will just complete your startup section. Okay, and this Gate.io startup section is the one of the largest startup section in the our exchange. It is a token launch and airdrop section. You can just get a good amount of profit, and you can see the return DeFi land 86,000%, and APY is just like 16.49%, and the available shares is 20 for me for now as the VIP status that I have currently. The Gate.io startup section is a startup is one of the largest project launch platform, and join of course you can join the platform and get a good amount of free profit together. And if you want to know more about a startup, I will just tag this link in my description so that you can get more good idea about how the startup work, how you can get good amount of free profit from the startup. That's a very easy, it's a token launch platform, and you can get free airdrop from the startup. Okay, and that's very also easy to join any startup that you would like. And of course I have already shown you how you can participate in here. Let me show it again. There's a GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay, let me just show it to you. You can just click here and just click. Okay, and you will be eligible for the startup for lucky draw. Okay, I will be eligible for the lucky draw. If I am lucky, I will get a good share. And in the GT holder exclusive, the VIP is not I mean the GT holder exclusive is the another section, and the VIP level is another section. You can see here, you can see the filter here, all VIP, GT holder exclusive, and the pre-order and prime section for you to understand it more carefully. And of course the referral carnival is also important. I will also share the link with you so that you can get a good idea of it. Here you can see that in the startup referral carnival, you can just invite your friend, register or participate for the startup first time and win the stars together. You can just click invite now, and here is the link. I will also share it with you guys so that you can also get the link here. Okay, in the startup carnival, if you invite your friends, you will get stars based on your invitation of your friends, and you can just swap the stars and you will get the startup share. You can swap the stars for startup shares, and the conversion ratio for the stars to shares will be 10 stars. You can get 1 startup share. I hope you understand all the point of view here. I will just drop the link in the description so that you can get more general idea of it. Of course you can check out my other videos. I have also there explained the detail about the startup carnival and how it works. I am just shortly briefing it about it now. Okay, so that's the how the startup works. And there's the startup referral carnival that you can invite your friend to get generous startup shares together, guys. That's a good amount, and there is more to come. Stars earned according to the daily trading volume and valid invites within 30 days. Of course, if your friend trade more, then you can get more amount of stars. I think that's what it says here. The more trading volume of your invitee, the more stars you can earn. I hope you understand. Okay, if you invite new users and he just trading good amount every day, then you can get a good amount of stars like every day, guys. Okay, thank you for all for joining the live stream. I really appreciate your patience for staying with me for this long, and I hope you got the general idea of it, how you can join in this awesome campaign, CARV limited time deposit and trade to share $10,000 rewards. Okay, guys, I have already also explained how you can join the startup and what is the startup is all about. It is a token launch platform, and it's free to join for all of you guys. And there are also the startup referral carnival you should join in. I have already said it about it. Okay, I will post the link in my description. You can check it out for further details, and if you have any question, you can just ask me in the comment box or in the chat area. I will try my best to answer the question. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. I like to wrap it up for today. See you in my next live stream. For now, bye bye. Thank you for joining my stream, guys.